Okay, so you are able to see my screen.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have to. This is Ubuntu, okay, and we have to install. I have already installed Hive. I'll show that what are the things I have already installed. So here is the bash RC file. We can see that what are the component I have already installed. Loom I installed, HBase I installed, Scoop I installed, Hive installed, Spark and Hadoop. So these are the components. So how to install? The first thing is we need to set up Ubuntu, the virtual box. Okay. So there is a separate step is there, like how to create a virtual machine in virtual box and set up Ubuntu. Okay. So once you get the Ubuntu desktop, right? Once you get the Ubuntu desktop, the first thing need to install is first we need to install Hadoop. Okay. So the link we have to follow here to install Hadoop. Okay. Install Hadoop. Install Hadoop. We have to follow this link. I'll be mentioning this link. So, so here we have to install this one to Hadoop. We have to install, and the state is pretty straightforward. Here, when you come in this, so you have to install Java. Okay, Java, and then this step you should not do. Create Hadoop user. So Hadoop user you should not create, except everything you have to do. Okay, so you have to create. You have to Java. Java we have. So once the Java is installed, then we have to do open SSH server and client. Step we have to do. And after that, once this is done, so this step we don't need it. Then we have to create a password list. We have to, and then we have to add into the authorized key. We have to this and give the permission. And this SSH localhost just for testing. Okay, like to check whether you. Then this page is to download the Hadoop. Okay, so you go to this official website page, and there is a binary chip is there. So this link you can use as a wget command. Okay, so we have to create in the home directory. You like my home directory. Here I created some software folder. In this software folder, you come inside this software folder, and then you do wget and then download this Hadoop chip. And after that, you have to extract it. Okay, so once you download wget command, you don't use this wget command. This is the uh, link is not correct. Use this wget command, and then you do the tar untar, right? Tar command untar and give the same version 3.3.4. Okay, this version, and then we have to change put the path in the bash rc file. So to do in the bash rc nano bash rc. So here you have to copy this entire one. And this one you have to change here your version 3.3.4. And here I have changed to my username, and there is a software folder. Okay, so there is this Hadoop. And remaining things, and here one equal will come. So this one you have to do. After that, you have to do source command. Source Cache RC. Once this is done, so now next thing is you have to you have to do this, and then you have to set this Java JDK path in hadoop env.sh. So hadoop env.sh you can open the home directory. Okay, so your software and wherever Hadoop is there, Hadoop, and here is the EPC. So here is your all files are there. You have to go to this location, go to this location, go to this location, and there is a file hadoop env.sh. This file you have to open it at env.sh. Directly open the hadoop env.sh. Once you hadoop env.sh, and here you have to add static the things. And then you have to changes the core site XML and the same place. These all files are there. Core site.xml and these all files. Core site.xml. Have to add this entry. So here is a one single change is there. One small change. So here is a small change is like I have to change my user ID. Okay, my home directory, my on user. Another one file is sdfs site.xml. sdfs site.xml. This file, this file has this entry. Okay, file. This file is having this entry. So here is you have to do some change here. You have to give username. So when we are changing SDFS site.xml, we have to change the user. And the next one file is mapred site.xml. Mapred site.xml. This file site.xml. This file we don't need to do anything, just as it is configuration you have to change. Add it. Okay. So next is the site.xml. This has the one entry. So yarn site.xml has this thing. So you need to add this entire entry and yarn site.xml. Once this all done, then we have a final step is we have to do format. So there is a command is dfs name node format command. We have to run this command, and all this command will be done on the user home, your user home, wherever this user home directory is there. So user home directory you have to run on this. So you have to run. So this is command. And after that, we have to start hyphen all dot sh to start your Hadoop service. So this one you will see after JPS command, you will see all the Hadoop services. But like I'm starting now. Start hyphen all dot sh. So start hyphen all dot sh we do. We can see all my Hadoop service. So this way we can do Hadoop installation. And after this Hadoop installation, once you see all 5 services, name node, data node, secondary, secondary name node, and resource manager, and more than. So all these services, when you are to see, then you can run your Hadoop command. So Hadoop fs minus ls slash, so it will be showing your root directory. So you can, once it is done, you can say Hadoop fs minus ls slash. So I have already created directories, so I'm able to see this. But in your case, it will be new. So you can see any directory, or you want to create a new directory. So I can say a new directory I can create. So you can see this directory by using, actually you have to do slash test. So wherever I want to create directory, I have to use slash. So I'm using a like home direct, like I'm root directory path. I'm creating a new directory name is test123. So now ls, I'm doing ls. Now this root directory, I can see test123 is created. So this way you can do practice of Hadoop command. There are around this 40 commands around are there. Okay. So this list you will find in my video. So 40 commands, Hadoop commands, Hadoop developer command. Those commands are there. Okay. And Hive installation, somebody who has not done the Hive installation, so you can follow this document, Hive installation. So this Hive installation is one to this document. Okay. So JDK is a prerequisite. So JDK already you installed it. And next you can go Hive installation. So Hive installation. So here is so this is directly we start with the official home page. We go to this official home page from where we can take the Hive version, the download release, and this is so this versions are there. So you have to use 3.1.3. So this version copy link address. So you have to go to your software folder. Okay, so what you have to do, go to softwares. Okay, so suppose I'm saying slash home or slash softwares. Okay, and after that, what you have to do, wget command, and then you have to give wget your this. So it will download. I keep okay, agree. I go to folder. This one you have to do. 5 tar binjar. Okay, so I'm copy this link address. So this link address you have to wget command. You have to do this link address. So you will get in the software folder. You will get it this. Then you can extract it. Same tar command. So tar command you can extract this tar tz. So you could use this command tar command and extract the same folder. Extract the folder in the same location. So this is the Hive 3.1.3. 1.3. So with the same name folder will create. After this, once it is created, after this folder is created, so next is this all things are done and tar command you have extracted. Next is you have to set these two paths in your bash RC. So you have to open nano bash RC, nano bash RC. So here you copy paste these two commands, these two home path and the bin path. So home path, bin path, there is some mistake here. So I'm telling you what is the mistake here. So here is a slash space is there and slash home will come. And here the path will come my username slash softwares. And remember it, this is the 3.1.3. Just make sure that whatever path we are giving, everything should be the same. Here, Apache Hive 3.1.3. So Apache Hive 3.1.3. Okay. So you have to give, this is the password. So, so when you extract it and when the exact same folder name, then you can rename it. You can rename it to MB, and then you can rename it to only Apache Hive 3.1.3. You can rename it to to 3.1.3. So like this, you rename it and same path you gave it in the home folder, and this all correct. So once you done this, next step is once you do this, and then you have to in hive config.sh file, your hive config.sh, you have to go. So your home path is set, your hive home is set. So you can open it and and then you can open it and then you can add this path. So this Hadoop home path you can set. So just make sure like whatever path you have, use that one because you have to change it. So mine is Hadoop home is this is my Hadoop home. This is my Hadoop. So this Hadoop home path you have to use here as it is. Okay. So you have to add in the config.sh. And once after done this, then you have to create these two directories in Hadoop. Okay, so your Hadoop service is already running. Then only you can create directory. So create Hadoop directory. Hadoop directory. One is a temp directory, and another one is SDFS DFS minus mkdir, and another one is created user hive warehouse. So these two directories you have to create, and you have to give the permission to these two directories. This is for temp. And second one is you have to give user hive warehouse. The hive warehouse. Oh, okay. So once you've done this directory, you create and give the permission, and then this all steps done, and then uh, this one you have to rename it to hivesite.xml. So you have to go to conf folder. So in the hive home, you have a conf folder. Okay, so you will get it here. We'll go to the software hive, and here is the conf folder, and here is the hivesite.xml. This one you have to change. So earlier name is this hive default.xml template. So you have to rename to you have to copy. You have to make a one copy or rename whatever you can do. So you can just change here. Okay. Once this is done, once this is done, then next step is initialize the Derby. So you have to initialize Derby. You have to initialize Derby. Okay, this command, and if you are getting this error, some Java error is there. If you are not getting, mostly this error is not coming. So you can directly start now Hive. So how to start Hive on the shell? Just type Hive. So Hive will start. So you can start directly Hive. Okay. So you can start dollar right like this. So your Hive shell will come. But one error will come. Okay. So that error is something Java IO temp dir error. So you will get some Java IO temp dir. So this error will come. So you have to find in your hivesite.xml wherever this Java IO temp dir property is there, remove those properties. Remove those properties from hivesite.xml where the Java I MTIL 15. Okay. Okay. Once you remove this one and then you start Hive, so you will get Hive shell like this, and then you can show databases. You can see all the data. I mean, right now, when you will create a new, you will start a Hive, so your databases will not be there. But in my case is already one database is there. So you can use command and create database. You can create a database, create database test, and show databases. You can see the test is created. Now use test, and then you show tables. You will not see now any table, but you can do the create table command. Create table. So this Hive you can practice, right? If you have any doubt, you can see the steps I have already explained in the Hive installation video. You can see. Okay. So this is Hive, and Scoop installation is easy. Scoop installation is just you have to download the Scoop zip and set the home path. Okay. So you have to go to the Scoop download. So 1.4.7 zip you have to download. Go to this. So this is the link from where you have to download the Scoop. You have to download the Scoop from here. So here is the yes, wget command. So you can do wget. So in the software folder you will go /home /win /software, and then here you say wget and this complete link you download. So you will see here this folder will be downloaded here. You have to zip tar file will be downloaded, then you will do the same tar xpf. So tar xpf this command you have untar this. So you will untar this scoop folder zip tar file, and and then and after you can rename it. Okay. So mb command I will rename it to simple scoop. If this one like this will come, and then you will scoop 5.1.4.7. So just rename it to this one. After that, set the home path and bin path. Copy this one. Sudo nano bash rc. So sudo nano bash rc. And here you have to give scoop home. So, so here is the folder name is software, and this is scoop 1.4.7. This is your scoop installation folder. Okay, and then your path will be scoop underscore. After doing this, you have to copy one jar, copy MySQL connector jar, the jar to scoop lib folder. This step you have to do. You have to go to MySQL connector. This one 5.1.47 jar. This jar is you can find the jar here. Jar. So here is the jar option there. This is the jar option. This jar I give the link here. So download this jar from here. So wget command you can do wget command, and this command you will run where your scoop lib folder. So scoop lib folder is you go to your scoop home. So in scoop home there is a /lib, right? So here you have to do wget and then you have to download this directory. These are the steps done. After that you can do on the dollar shell is to import command you can run. So this is for the and for Loom installation. Loom installation is also very simple. You have to go to the website. Installation. So first you go to the Loom download link. You go to the Loom download link. Here is the Loom. You can use 1.11. This star file. Copy link at here is first you first you go to first you go to the your home directory slash Loom user when software. So here you have to do wget command. You have to download this Loom tar file and then same thing you have to do for this one also. You have to tar xdf and tar xdf tar xdf. After that you rename it also. So you mb. So this Loom you downloaded this one, this bin folder. You remove this bin. Keep it this, and after that you press this. So first you do tar here, and then you rename it, and then you set the Loom home path, the bash access. You have to copy this, and you add nano bash access. So here you are adding Loom underscore home. And here you change the version of Loom. You are using Apache 1.11.0. Same thing will be given. And here is the home. Okay, one thing I forgot everywhere. Wherever after the bash RC you do, you have to do the source command. So this I have told here, source command. Okay, whenever we do entry in the bash RC, then we have to do source command. This command. So you have to run in all the places. So here I have installed here I have installed Hive. So I yeah, and here is the bash RC entry. After this, I will be doing the source command. Another one is scoop. I did the this one bash RC entry. Then I will do source command. And here in the room also I have done the source command to do source command. And after that, you will check the Loom ng, Loom, Loom hyphen ng. So this command you can run and you do the Loom. Okay. So another one is the H base. H base one is H base. One, I have put this one. So first part is there in this Hadoop. So this part you have to ignore it because this part already we did it. So you have to start directly HBase. Okay, HBase installation is starting. Okay. This all things we have already done in Hadoop. Yeah. So HBase installation is here. So we have to go to this website. HBase installation. So once I come to this website, I have to go to latest release. Here is the HBase release is here. Last time I downloaded 0.5.3. Where you go here 0.5.3, this bin tar file. So this is the 2.5.3 bin tar. So the same thing you have to do here also. You have to go to directory, my software directory, slash home slash software. Once you come here, then you have to do duplicate command, then and then you have to do tar command, and then rename. So you have to do tar command. Here is the HBase tar.gz, HBase tar.gz, and then you have to rename it to HBase 2.5.3. So HBase bin, you rename it to 2.5, right this. Okay, once after doing this one item, and then we have to set, this is a Hadoop path. Okay. So, okay, we are copying this one to user local HBase. You follow the same step. So we have to move it to, not in the software, because some other issues come, so that is the reason. Better is to move it to move it to HBase 2.5.3. So HBase 2.5.3, you move it to user local HBase. Okay, after doing this, we have to set uh, Java, Java. We have to get the conf directory. We have HBase site.exe conf directory. You have to go to the local HBase conf directory. CD, the HBase local conf directory. After that, in HBase site.xml, in the HBase site.xml, we have to add these two entities. The configuration tag is already there. Just add these two properties as it is. So just add the property, these property. But here you have to change your home path, or we can keep it same as it is. No need. So you have to add this. There is a conf HBase site.xml. hbase site.xml. So you have to go to first conf directory and then do nano hbase site.xml and there add the entry. And these three directories you have to create in Hadoop. These two directories. These two directories to create in the Hadoop. So it's slash Hadoop slash hbase hfile and slash Hadoop slash this is a Hadoop directory. So in my case already these directories are there. Okay, show you. So Hadoop fs minus ls slash. So here is a Hadoop, Hadoop hbase and Hadoop. So Hadoop is a one directory. This is not Hadoop directory. Actually, this is a local directory. So this directory is a local because there is no Hadoop emphasis is not there. It's the local directory. So if I want to check it, ls slash Hadoop and base, yeah, H file is there. If you see another one is Hadoop QT. This is also there. So these two directories you have to create. So the ch1 is not a problem. You need these two directories. So create Hadoop directory for HBase, H files, and Jupyter is a coordination service. We create these two directories. If once these two are created, an HBase configuration file, we set it with properties, and home path we set it. So what next is there? Just we have to start hyphen h hbase.sh. We have to start. Okay. So this one we have to start in the root. Okay, just you remember one thing. You have to go to the root and then you start this start.sh fetch base service. So how to go to the root? So suppose you are right now, I'm right now my home folder. Okay. Maybe right now I'm here. So sudo su I will do, I will come to the root. And after that I will do cd slash home slash software slash where okay, our HBase is okay, my HBase is here. So slash usr cd usr slash usr slash local slash local slash HBase. So go here and then you have to go to the bin also slash bin and there is a so once you come to the once you come to the this prompt then you can start hyphen hbase dot x. Okay. And once your this one is start then you can exit and come to your home directory. Okay, you come to your home directory cd directory slash home slash. So this home directory now you will start hbase shell hbase. So then you will see hbase prompt. Okay, so this is the step for the HBase. Anyone get difficulty, let me know. These are all components, whatever we and Spark is very simple one. So how to install Spark? Spark, some Spark. Here is you have to select Spark version. You take it this, you select it. This is your Spark chip. So you copy the link address and you go for this home directory. So Spark, you go to first your software directory. CD. So you change your directory because your username is different. Slash home here. So here once you come here and then you do wget command, same command you have to do, and then you have to do star command x here, and this is your star file. Once you extract it, then you rename it. Can be this one too. You can keep it on the Spark 3.3.1. So this one you can rename it. And the next thing is we have to set the home path. The home path is the nano bash RC. So it is the nano bash RC. And here also, HBase also, okay. With this one, we have to set the home path also. So here we have, so this here, once after you move it to here, this location, then you can set it your HBase. So HBase, HBase, here is your path different. Path is, your path is this. Your path is slash HBase 2.5.3. And here you have to set HBase home. And after this, you have to do source command. Source. So now the same thing you have to do for Spark. Here you have to, after rename, you have to set the password. Here is the Spark home, and here is the Spark 3.3.1. And here is, and after that you have to do source command. Password. And then after you can dollar shell, you can write Spark hyphen shell. So your Spark Scala shell from it. Or if you type it PySpark, so you will get this symbol. When you type Spark shell, you will get this prompt. So what are the things need to practice? I'm telling here. So first is Unix thing is there. Okay, Unix. So in the I show you the video of that. In this folder, you go here. So Spark related practice things is there. Okay, so you can see session one, session two. If, if you go to week one, so here is documents are here. All these documents, Linux command is there. So first is you have to start Linux practice, Linux practice. So Linux practice and Linux commands. In the Linux practice will come Linux command. You have to do all those different commands are there. Cat command, grep command, find command, okay, SCD command. So all those commands you have to learn. Then you have a shell script. Shell script you have to do operators, loop, function, those things, condition, if conditions, so those things. So you will get some examples here. Components installation. Okay, so once you start this shell scripting and this thing, so you will get it in the week one. So you go to in this folder week one. Here you will get the Linux related command and Hadoop installation document is also there and Hadoop developer command. So you can see here all the developer commands, right? For practice, you can do this all commands. So here is videos also there. So if you go back here, and here you can see the first is a big data fundamental, Hadoop command two session, map reduce. Okay, next thing is after this one, Hadoop fundamental. So Hadoop fundamental, like basically SDFS command, SDFS command practice. So these are the developer command, Hadoop command practice. Next thing is MapReduce. So MapReduce need to understand MapReduce architecture. What is a word count program, and then you can do MapReduce is having partitioner concept, partitioner, combiner, okay, and map side join, reduce side join. So these are all concepts there in the MapReduce. So MapReduce videos, how many videos? So MapReduce you will find MapReduce session one, three. So this is total four videos of MapReduce there. So this is week one. The week two I started Hive. So this is completely Hive session and Hive related documents are there. Session one, session two. So it is mentioned right for which session these videos are there. These documents are there. So here partitioning, bucketing, this all cover. So in the Hive you go here, Hive. So Hive you have to practice for Hive tables, like two types of table, internal internal table and external table. And apart from that, partitioning, bucketing, and there are the different types of surveys are there. So those surveys is the serialization. So yeah, the surveys comes like Parquet survey, ORC file format survey, Avro, JSON, CSV, XML, regex, on CSV. These are the surveys names. Okay. After that, once you complete the surveys, then UDF concept is there. So UDF is the three types UDF. So UDF, UDAF, and UDTF. So it's a custom function. UDF is a custom. And this one, once you complete, so Hive is having SQL queries, Hive SQL queries. So we can use SQL queries like windowing function, grouping query, windowing function, group queries, group by query, union intersections, union, interjections. Here is when we creating a tables, we have to load data into tables, load data into Hive table. There are the different two ways are there. One is the load data local function. Another way you can copy, we can copy data file in Hadoop directory in Hive table. So these are the Hive. And once you've done this, then scoop is there. So the scoop is, so it's the, so the scoop is having a scoop session. Scoop three sessions, session one, two, three. So scoop, you have to see all the input. And HBase is having HBase commands are there, like DDL, DML, this command DDL, DML, DCL, data control language. Okay, so these are the commands, and HBase is having architecture, HBase architecture, okay, and HBase, and there is the concept of cap forum. So before starting HBase, understand the cap forum. Okay, cap forum is consistency, partition tolerance, and availability. And partition tolerance. It is all there in the week 4. Here is the HBase is there. So HBase session, and Flume is like we have to do Flume command. Flume is having Flume is not completely covered. So next I will do the Flume import export thing is there, like Flume, like different types of, like we can use import the data like unstructured and semi-structured data, and structured data we can import through Scoop. Okay. So Scoop is import and export for data from RDM, SDFS and Hive table. This is the Flume is also import exported unstructured, semi-structured data into CFS. So the data can come from the Twitter data, so as a student data, or we can move data from local file system to Hadoop. That is also one example. Okay. So these are the, and HBase is the, it's a NoSQL database in Hadoop ecosystem. It is column family, and it is providing Later it will be faster due to random acceleration. So if you compare with SDFS, you compare with SDFS. So latency is very low. Latency is low, means access is faster. It's faster, faster for HP stable data. But in SDFS, it is sequential access, sequential access, more data. It takes more data. Right. Okay. And Hive is a SQL database. Hive so is same as only difference is it is schema on read. SQL database is schema on write. What is the meaning of schema on write? Means schema on write is checking schema. Get data. Okay. Schema on read. It will not check schema in the time of writing data table. So writing is faster. So we are reading data from table that time. Okay. So any question, anyone doubt? This document you can start it. Okay. It has completely. Okay, so I will add it. Install Hadoop component in the VM version. Yes, yes. So first you need to install the Ubuntu. So I'm telling you, download VirtualBox. Okay. So you VirtualBox VM like 7.0 version. Download this VirtualBox 7.0 Windows host one. Once you download this, okay, you download this. So here is the beginning. So download VirtualBox 7.0 for Windows host. download from this website. Once it's download, then you download the Ubuntu ISO. You can download any version of Ubuntu. 22 you can take for 20. You can download the desktop ISO. Download this. Then you follow the step to create a virtual machine. So this step you follow to create a virtual machine. This complete this steps are there. So you can
Sir, but when I'm trying to create new virtual, it's not coming like it. I know something is coming.
can you Rahul, right?
Yes.
Okay. Can you show me now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just
Mm. So okay, okay. So already it's the what is it's already running or what happened?
let me close this one and
Mm. Close this all this windows. Can't open machine, right? There is a cross, right? You can click on that. Mm. Okay.
so I have created like this so here which folder I have to give.
So here,
So
okay. So this is any name you can give. Okay, one, two, yeah.
so here
One, you give me the control. One, two. Your machine has how much RAM it is?
sorry, how
How much
much?
RAM is RAM is there? Yes.
I think 8 GB RAM.
Okay, so you have to use 4 GB to Ubuntu. It is got hang or what happened?
I know I'm getting this window like
Okay. So now, so this Ubuntu here you giving some name
so
and then
which
you
folder
select.
I have to,
So you have to go to other and then you have to select the ISO. Where is ISO is there, right? So some folder is there, right? So you have to go to ISO. And better is just keep it this
so
ISO file in some drive rather than download. Keep it in some C drive. Okay. So copy that ISO to some down C drive somewhere.
so what happened is when I downloaded ISO, it came just like this.
Actually, I'm not able to see a screen some issue. Hmm.
Mm.
Okay, so you have to, yeah, this ISO you selected here. Okay, and ISO image, what will come here? Hmm.
So here also same thing.
Hmm. Okay, so this one and where is the user ID password is it? Okay, so then you have to go to next.
No, when I can't create machine folder.
Okay, I think this is the same name is there. So you keep it. No, one. You do it. Just make it Ubuntu one or some other name on the.
This one?
Yeah. This one will be your folder, right? Where you your
Yes.
folder, right?
Where I, yeah,
And
where I,
this one you change the name also. First home name. Ubuntu one you can do. Yeah. And now do next. Yeah. So here you change the username password because this is the default, but you can give it your name. Okay, name and then you keep it password simple, just Hadoop. Okay, simple like you can remember it. Okay, that I'm saying. So yeah, give it repeat password. Okay, yeah, do next. And here you have to set the RAM. So right now you can set it to 4 GB. Can you make it 4048? Hmm. Yeah, 4096. Okay, yeah, 4096 fine. And CPUs are 8, like you can give 4. Hmm. And now do next. Disk size, how much disk is there? Total disk. So you can
uh,
take it like 250 GB is there or 500 GB. So just take it 50, 60 GB you take it so that you don't need to reset again. So take it, yeah, 60 fine. Hmm. And next and finish. And now you start the machine. Once the start button is enabled. Once you do start button enabled. So I think it will take 20-minute time to install. Okay, this whole process. Okay. So this like this last time
yeah,
happened.
now I got
La-
it.
no, last time it happened like this. Like you did this. So once your this complete installation done, right? So you will be able to log in into your home page. Yeah, your desktop. Okay, Ubuntu desktop. So one error will come. Okay, I'll tell you. Whenever you run any command, you will get your user is not a sudo or user. Okay. So how to fix that error? You go to browser. I'll tell you. So you have to use you add your username to the sudo user. Okay. Some sudo file is there. You have to add it.
Oh, here,
I'll tell you here in the you go to my drive if you have opened. Otherwise, I can
my turn.
no my there is week one. Here,
Yes, sir.
mm, the control is from. Or otherwise I show in my system. Okay, this will take time. Okay. Week one, there is a one document. I think in this one, Hadoop installation. So when your Ubuntu is ready, right? So see,
Yeah.
everything I have already pre-written like this. This is another document. Okay, so this one you done. Then you do su minus, and then you will get prompt like this: root at the rate your username will be there, right? So you type this command vis vi sudo. When you do vi sudo, so you will get one file. There is already root entry is there like this. You are able to
Okay.
see my pointer. Okay, this root entry,
Yes.
right? So this root entry already there. Just create your username, whatever username you taken, right? At the rate something. So that username you do this entry, one more entry, okay, in the same file, and then Control X, Shift Y, Enter, come out the file, and then do sudo apt update. After that, you install the Chrome also. How to install Chrome? Just go to the download desktop. No, not this one. Open the terminal and do this wget command. This is for Chrome. Okay.
Okay.
So this is how to install Chrome on the Ubuntu. So open the terminal. Okay, this is for Ubuntu. Actually, it is not required here. Okay. So okay, it will not editable. So here is the open the terminal. You open terminal wget command Chrome and then sudo apt install this command, and then you will see the your Chrome is installed. Okay. And if anything like you find like your virtual box is not faster, so do this type of changes. Right. This one is a changes, right? This is a display, like, okay, you want to, um, like this all things are there in the uh, virtual box property. Okay.
Okay.
So virtual box property, when you see there is a graphic control and this one, you can set it. Okay. How to install this one, I have already told about. This one is covered, right? So just do this
Yes.
thing. Otherwise, you cannot run any command. Okay. This thing you do. Okay. Let me
Okay.
know if anything you get the difficulty, right? Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Sure.
Okay.